Nobody wants to bring special tools on a mountain bike ride, especially a key that can be lost and you need to drill your frame to be able to access your battery. Okay, and this monster weighs 70 grams. Oh, we have a solution. So this is our locking mechanism that operates with an Allen key, which you can lose and borrow from your mate or buy a new one, and nobody's gonna steal your battery on a mountain bike ride anyway. So the locking mechanism of a Bosch smart system is really cool. How it works, it's safe, and this thing weighs only 18 grams. It can be fitted to any smart system that uses this kind of locking mechanism, but it comes as a standard on Bosch Sonnis, and you can retrofit this to Voimas as well. And it's so easy to operate. Get yours now at polebicycles.com. Just hear it. Works so good. So this is now ready shipping.